assistant has been playing with a lot of Play-Doh recently. So I'm gonna take some of her stuff and make a giant mess. That way she'll never be able to play with Play-Doh again. Mwahaha. I got you, Waggles. All right, evil Waggles. Right here, we're gonna make a mess, and the Play-Doh will get into the carpet, and she'll never be able to play with it again. Look at all this Play-Doh everywhere. All right, I made a mess here. Now time to go make a mess some other place. Come on, Waggles. Oh, Waggles, how'd you get here so fast? Anyways, okay, I got the stuff. And now to make a mess. Making a mess everywhere. More Play-Doh. Okay, more Play-Doh. Here we go. Putting that in there. Perfect. And then we go just like that. And then there goes the Play-Doh. Play-Doh. And now to use this. Get the extra Play-Doh and we make molds with it. And we're gonna put these molds everywhere. There's a mold there. There's a donut. And, oh, what's this one? It's a Lego! Okay, now that I've made another giant mess, I gotta get out of here. Okay, Mr. Engineer, are you ready to play with the Play-Doh Zoom Zoom vacuum cleaner?
What? Wait a minute, assistant. You had more stuff here. What happened to it?
I did have more stuff. I remember having at least like 5 Play-Dohs on this table. And where'd all the tools go?
Yeah, you had like a light, you had blue and you had like a red, didn't you?
Yeah, maybe like a pink.
You better find it. If you get in the carpet, Mrs. Engineer won't let you play with Play-Doh.
Oh no. Okay, should I take this just in case?
Well, that's designed to clean up messes, right? Show me, right?
Right, okay. Do you want me to make a little mess with this?
Yeah, show us how it works.
Okay.
Waggles, did you take the Play-Doh, Waggles? Did you take it? No. All right, so you're making a little bit of a mess, right?
Yeah, you see those tiny pieces of Play-Doh there?
Yeah, okay. So you're gonna run it over the vacuum cleaner. Oh, yeah, a couple of them left.
Look at it!
Yeah, it's gone. Good job. All right, so let's show me how do you empty the Play-Doh out of the back.
Okay, so you just go like that.
Oh, and you see the Play-Doh, it's like it gets picked up in there like a real vacuum cleaner, right?
Right, and there's a bunch of it in there. All
right, so let's go see if we can find what happened to that Play-Doh and clean up any messes that may be around. Waggles, you want to come with us?
Yeah!
All right, grab Waggles and grab your vacuum cleaner and let's go. We're gonna have to go through the tunnels and see what we can find.
Okay. Ooh, let's go through the tunnels!
Okay.
Here we go!
So you're going, and then I'm gonna follow you.
No lags.
I'm gonna see if I can find a flashlight, because it gets really dark in there. Oh, I don't see one.
Now that I've made these giant messes, it's time for me to go get in some more trouble.
So let's go, people. Oh, here's a light. Oh, so we went through the first tunnel. All right, so do you see any messes here?
No messes here.
All right.
But, oh no, we gotta cross the lava.
Oh, the floor is lava, sister. You gonna be able to cross it?
Oh, I gotta go across this balance beam. Ah!
Okay. Let's see how you do.
Okay.
Good job, sister. You made it across.
Phew. Uh-oh.
What happened?
It's a mess.
Somebody made a mess right there. You're gonna have to pick it up.
Oh no.
And then there's one of your tools, right?
Oh yeah, here's one of my tools. Okay. Well, look at all the Play-Doh that's in it.
Whoa. Who would have done that, assistant?
I don't know, but I gotta use this vacuum cleaner to help clean up.
Remember, we don't push down too hard. So let's see how it works. Good job. So you got some right here, assistant. We got to clean that up. Here, let me see how it, I think you just roll it gently across, right? Yeah, you gently go across and it picks up all of the Play-Doh. All right.
All right, we cleaned up our mess.
Oh, you got just a little bit left, right?
Right.
You got the mess cleaned up. So should we leave that Play-Doh there?
Yeah, we'll come get it.
Yeah, we'll come back and get it. All right.
Let's go to the school.
So you think that we got to go to the school to clean up?
Yeah, I think we do.
All right, Wags, we got to go through the tunnels.
Whoa,
Are you ready to go through the tunnels, Wags? All right, let's go. The system through. We got to watch out. Floor's lava. So we're going to go through the tunnels and then we're going to find into the school, right?
Okay, I'm almost to the end.
Well, the assistant's way up there.
Waggles already made it.
Waggles is already up there?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, but I don't know where he went.
He was behind me a minute ago.
Maybe he'll show up soon.
All right. Is there any mess over here?
Yeah. There is a mess.
Assistant, that's a giant mess.
Oh no. Okay, looks like we got our
You're not going to be able to play with Play-Doh if you don't get that
Waggles!
mess cleaned up.
Yeah. Okay, let's use it.
Good job, assistant. You got to clean it up, right?
Right.
Sometimes you got to go in different directions even. I think the bigger pieces we'll use our hands for. And then we'll get the smaller ones with the plate, with the vacuum, right?
Right. Look, I got most of it.
You have, great job. And I'll get the bigger pieces.
Okay. I'll help you too.
And then, wait a minute, are those the tools right there?
Yeah, they're the tools.
Oh, wow. All right, so assistant, can you use the vacuum cleaner for his molds? Hey, why don't we use it up here on the desk?
Okay. I get some Play-Doh.
I got some in my hand.
Okay. So.
Why don't you just use this desk right here?
Okay. I'm at the desk.
Okay, and here I got a couple of your utensils.
Okay. And what you can do is on the top here is a coin.
Where? On the top?
Yeah, there's a coin.
Oh, cool. Let's see here. So right there, at the top of the...
It's a coin.
There's like a mold,
See?
right? Oh yeah, so right there's a coin. And what's that right there?
Maybe slime.
And you got like a ring?
Yeah, a ring, and then a Lego, and then like maybe a screw.
Oh.
Okay, so there's our coin. We'll vacuum that up in a second. I think I want to make a Lego.
Okay.
I'm glad we cleaned up all those messes though.
Yeah, Waggles is barking. I wonder why he's barking.
Maybe he found something. But we're doing this right now. Waggles.
Waggles, you're being silly.
Okay, so now that I've made 2 things, I can vacuum them up.
Okay, so you're going to try to vacuum them up. So
They're gone.
Alright, so let's make another one and see how it works.
Make another one?
Yeah, let's make another thing out of the mold.
Okay. Let's make a diamond
Oh,
ring.
look, and there's stuff here on the side. You can make like a...
Oh, there's, what is this? Oh, looks like some, like, outdoor stuff. And then on this side, it's like a battery and something else.
Oh, yeah, like, do you see that, people? Almost like a little battery right there. All right. And look, all that Play-Doh goes inside the tank, right? There's the tank, you see
Right.
it? So it's got little wheels on it, just like a regular vacuum cleaner and everything.
The wheels on the vacuum.
Who do you think made these messes, assistant?
I have no idea.
Who would gain from you not being able to play with Play-Doh?
I you know just who it was.
Who?
Evil Wiggles, because I saw some footprints on the play-doh.
Oh.
And the evil assistant.
You think it was them?
Yes, I think it was them.
Okay, so you gotta put that back on the top, right?
Right, we're making the ring. Just like that. And we gotta try to get it out without ruining it.
Okay.
Even though it's just gonna be vacuumed up.
Oh, you use a Play-Doh to pick it up, right?
Right, and here's the ring.
Let's see. Whoa.
Now let's vacuum it up.
I don't know if they saw it. Can you see it, people? Let's see the ring real closely. Looks like it's right there. All right, let's clean it up. And it's gone. Pretty
It's
cool.
gone.
All right, let's take your vacuum cleaner back to
The
your station where you play with your Play-Doh, right?
back to the station we go.
So we gotta go back through the tunnels and back to that box fort.
Okay, let's go.
We'll come back to this Play-Doh, but you need that vacuum cleaner, right?
So we're gonna leave this here.
You grab your tools.
Okay. I gotta put the tools back together.
Okay.
And I got this. Okay, Waggles, let's go. Come on, Wags.
Back to the box fort. You ready, Wags? We gotta go. All right, so we're gonna go back to the box fort. The system's way up there. Oh, it's kind of dark though, is it?
Made it.
She made it. All right. Ooh, now we're into the rainbow tunnels, right?
Right. Ooh. Ah.
Oh, so you got to go across the balance beam now.
Right. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, be careful, because the floor is lava. Good job. All right, so now which tunnel do we go through? Do we go through that one or that one?
This one, of course.
That one right there. So there goes the assistant. This time I've got flush it. Waggles, do you want to go? Waggles, the floor is lava. Remember we told you. The floor is lava, buddy. All right, so we got to go back through this tunnel. And go back to her Play-Doh table. People at home, do you have a Play-Doh table?
You have a vacuum?
Sister, where'd you go? You said you're coming, but where are you
I'm
at?
right here.
Oh, there you go. How'd you get there?
Okay. Made it back. Now we can play with it.
Super cool. So assistant, we had to clean up messes with your Play-Doh vacuum, we had to search through the tunnels, and we had lots of family fun, right?
Right.
So that's a fun way you can play with it, is for the parents to make a little mess, and then the kids have to clean it up with their Play-Doh vacuum.
You're right. I think I'm going to do that right after this.
Okay, so what should the people do now?
They should like this video and subscribe to our channel. And also make sure to follow us on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and Hat Kids TV.
That's a great idea.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.